Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap and we will be doing a maintenance wash on the Jeep Grand Cherokee today. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We want to bleed out the air out of the hose in the power washer. You just hold your trigger for about 30 seconds. Once the air is fully out, you want to go ahead and turn it on. And then I go ahead and use a 2-bucket method. I use one for soap and one for rinse. You rinse out the towel and then you go ahead and put your wash mitt into a soapy bucket and then put it on your vehicle. First, I go ahead and clean the tires on the vehicle. I get in and around the wheel well and then around the wheel, get all the gunk and brake dust loosened up, and then I go ahead and spray on the Meguiar's tire and wheel cleaner. If you guys would take 2 seconds out of your day to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and the notification bell, it'd be much appreciated. Thanks. Alright, depending on what bucket method you use, I just go ahead and use one bucket with a grit guard. I go ahead and empty it when I'm done because there's a lot of gunk sitting in the bottom of it. And then I want to go ahead and put brand new water in the bucket. So that way it minimizes swirls and scratching of that brake particles on your paint. So right here I use water to loosen up all the dirt and debris on the vehicle itself. Make sure it's all off, and then I go ahead and use the foam cannon. The foam cannon is great to loosen up all the rest of the dirt and grime on the vehicle, and then I agitate it with the washcloth, or the wash mitt, so to speak. I use a 2-bucket method on the vehicle. It reduces the amount of swirls onto the vehicle. Once I'm done foam canning the whole vehicle, I go ahead and use a bug sponge. If the bugs are caked up on the front of the vehicle, yes, there was some bugs in the middle of November, so I went ahead and took them off with the bug sponge, and then I went ahead and put on more foam so that way it could sit there and run off more of those bugs. So right here I start washing the vehicle off with water again with using the power washer and then the 40-degree head. That way I can go ahead and make sure to clean off all the dirt and the remaining grime on the vehicle. Then you want to go ahead and proceed around the whole vehicle, starting from the top to the bottom. Make sure to get all the soaps and suds off the vehicle and you should be good to go. Alright, so the next step, you want to go ahead and dry off the vehicle. I usually start with the windows and mirrors, so that way the water spots do not remain visible on the vehicle. You shouldn't have any water spots as long as you don't do it in direct sunlight and you have enough time to get around the whole vehicle before those water spots and mineral deposits actually tack onto your vehicle. So you want to start top to bottom and get in and around the door handles, the emblems, and the trim inside of the door. One trick I like to do is spread out the whole towel, throw it on the vehicle, and then wipe down. It makes this process go way faster, especially when you have a big panel like the hood. And then you just want to go ahead and clean off the rest of the vehicle. I do have a clear bra on the front of my vehicle, so I don't have to worry about scratching, so that's kind of why I do it last. And clear bras are great. Whenever you expose it to the sun, those scratches actually go away. And that's a great thing about that. But we'll mention that in a different video. And then I start using the Pearl, Car Pro Pearl on the vehicle. It's a 1:1 ratio with an application sponge on the tires. And then you just want to go around each tire. You can do the inner one too, but no one looks at that unless you take off your tires. But since this is a maintenance wash, you just want to do the outside of your wheels. I want to thank everyone who has watched the video so far, and if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace.